Alright guys, sorry about now there. We're making our way down to the waterfall. The road a little bit steep as you can see. We're taking your time. You know what's already real criminals with eating that. I could vlog like that for days, but when we share I go let you know. Okay? They're looking proper to me. Yeah, son, real criminal. The man even watching where you walking. Bad boy. That before we laugh. More man falling. Man like me and son, we taking a critical sleep, but he's still more.
Good play, take it in the bush. I
Fellas, they try and make it down. Well, you know, we smart, we walking on the sidelines, they're walking in the center. So we're making it down.
A soft focus vibe. Yeah, sir.
In the video?
Yeah.
That's the lens you're talking about there.
You have a problem.
It have a defect.
Sure.
No. The goat.
Goat?
It have a good dance with the goat. I have it on the vlog, you check.
Good.
You know, you don't need man.
Over there and I right here.
Huh? Ah! What I see, the only goat in the world. Don't let jerk it out, huh? Listen, I want to take off.
No, over there is a little. He's tall, he's fast. Look, you see going down? It's super open. Okay. I think I shot there quick. You probably take a Crocs and a phone for it.
Oh, take it out of the Sorry, I thought you
What I did for the food for him. Yeah, so probably you could just be watching the waterfall. That's it shot. Why you doing a pull back? Pull back? Where is space for the pull back then? Probably you could go a little closer to her, you check it. Relationship vibe, go a little closer. Yeah, like you know, honeymoon vibe. Okay, go. Right now we on a shoot with Island Checkers and we're just about wrapping up. It's been a good day. It didn't rain or anything, but some good shots and just about wrapping up. You know how we see already Lvmi cloud.
Pepper is too hot. Where the pepper? That's the pepper there. That's the pepper.
Where you woman?
What are they pepper? Boy, the pepper focus up. If you saw him, some grab a mouth.
That's it, man. You get content too. That fish cake. This is one of the delicacies in St. Lucia, fish cake. Very expensive. We just buy that 20 US.
I just 20 years. Pepper there. Take a taste. Take a taste.
Embarrass me.
That's revolution.
But that's oily.
Eat that, bro. Eat that. Bad boy. What are you saying?
They're hot.
So we stopped for some food. We had some good pepper and thing. We short about it some more. But yeah, I finished
Waiting for Perry. Paired.
A little bit. I will put some of the pepper. I had that. I finished it that. You check. I was in a real criminal. You check. But Sean finish it. Good take a little taste. What you feel about the pepper?
Yeah, man, it's tough, eh?
It's tough, yeah, I know. Them things, I'm gonna eat pepper and whatever pepper that I should really accent. But
anything good? Oh,
devilish. On to the next. It's so deep, it's shallow, very shallow. Nah, it looks like that something like this.
Oh my god. No, there's someone there.
Oh. Yeah, pick up it there. Yeah, right there. You know the vibe.
I'll show you and then you'll see what it is.
I think I'm just tired.
Baby, you have to get into the nice food for the first time.
Go back. Yeah, let's jump. Thank you niggas that turn for today. Let's go beyond that extra. Yeah, y'all know, y'all pressure. Yeah. Director, DJ. I'm DJ, but I gonna Apple Music. Hey. Huh? No, you just keep it now.
Oh, you want this up there? Yeah.
You look at the first corner. I get. Something I'm fucking for right there. I didn't get it on camera. My camera was dead. My bad.
I feel like I get flash from that.
Hello, the phone fuck up. Hi guys. Right about now I'm making out the intro because my battery about to die. So I said let me just do it now. As you see the nice scenery, good things happening in the background. I said let me do it now. But the guy was nice, you know, get some good shots or amazing shots. Well, you also try out these waterfalls. I will leave the link to the man that took us in the description. But that was nice. I could put some B-roll at the end and then already Lvmi out.